Today I am reviewing the Apple iPhone 14. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple iPhone 14 in blue, 128 gigabytes, unlocked, is a perfect combination of style, performance, and reliability, especially for those looking for a renewed, eco-friendly option. Despite being a renewed model, this iPhone is thoroughly tested, certified, and restored to full functionality, so you get the premium Apple experience at a better price. Let's start with the display. The iPhone 14 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp details. Watching movies, streaming videos, or browsing photos is an absolute joy on this panel. Whether you're scrolling through social media or viewing your favorite apps, everything looks sharp and immersive, with excellent brightness and contrast, even in bright sunlight. One of the standout features of the iPhone 14 is its action mode for video recording. This feature allows you to capture smooth, stabilized footage even when holding the phone in your hands while moving. Whether you're walking, running, or capturing fast action, your videos remain steady and professional looking. Combined with a high-quality camera system, you can take stunning photos and videos without worrying about blur or shakiness. Performance-wise, the iPhone 14 is fast and responsive, handling apps, multitasking, and games with ease. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you have ample space for apps, photos, videos, and documents. And since this is an unlocked device, you have the freedom to use it with any carrier, making it perfect for travel, switching networks, or keeping your options open. Battery life on the iPhone 14 is impressive for a device of its size. You can comfortably go through a full day of calls, streaming, and app usage without needing a recharge. And thanks to Apple's optimized iOS software, the phone runs smoothly, with fluid animations and minimal lag, keeping your experience enjoyable and reliable. The design of the iPhone 14 is elegant and sleek, with the blue color option giving it a fresh, modern look. The build quality is premium, feeling solid in hand while remaining lightweight and comfortable for extended use. In summary, the Apple iPhone 14 128 gigabytes blue, unlocked, renewed, offers a fantastic display, stabilized video recording, strong performance, and ample storage. It's perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality, cost-effective, renewed iPhone that doesn't compromise on features or reliability. From daily tasks to creative projects and video content, this phone is a reliable companion for work, play, and everything in between.